Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price bounced bearishly after testing its key resistance of $22.40 level on upside along with break in its nearby support of $2300 level and waiting for more decline to test $22.78 level target on downside in upcoming trading session. MCX gold price had formed head and shoulder chart pattern and hovering near towards its important neckline support of 71,000 level, and break below will drag the price further down till 70,500 and 70,000 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at 71,750 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.